Today, I'll show you how to create a project in Basecamp, an essential skill for anyone looking to streamline their team collaboration and project management. Whether you're new to Basecamp or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and concisely. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to basecamp.com. If you haven't already set up an account, you'll need to sign up, but if you're familiar with the platform, simply log in using your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be greeted by the Basecamp dashboard, which is the central hub for all your projects and activities. Next, it's time to create a new project. On your dashboard, look for the option that says Make a New Project. This is usually prominently displayed to make it easy for users to start fresh with a new task or goal. Click on this option, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can set up the details of your project. Now comes the fun part, naming your project. Think of a name that clearly reflects the purpose or goal of the project. A well-chosen name helps team members quickly understand what the project is about and keeps everyone on the same page. Once you've decided on a name, type it into the designated field. Don't worry, you can always change the project name later if needed. Once you've named your project, you'll see an option to Create this project. Clicking on this button will officially set up your new project space within Basecamp. This is where all the magic happens, as it will serve as the central location for organizing tasks, discussions, files, and more related to your project. After your project is created, you'll want to start customizing it to suit your needs. Look for the plus icon, typically found in the upper part of the project page. Clicking on this icon allows you to add different tools to your project. These tools could include to-dos, message boards, schedules, and documents, among others. Each tool has a specific purpose, so think about what your project requires and select the tools accordingly. Adding tools is a crucial step because it tailors the project space to meet the specific needs of your team and the work at hand. For example, if your project involves a lot of task management, you might prioritize adding a to-do list where you can assign tasks to team members. Or, if communication is key, a message board might be a great addition to keep everyone informed and engaged. And there you have it, a fully set up project in Basecamp, ready for you and your team to dive into. Remember, organizing and customizing your project space effectively can greatly enhance productivity and collaboration. It's worth taking a few moments to think about what structure will best serve your team's needs. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming proficient in managing projects with Basecamp. The platform is designed to be intuitive and flexible, so don't hesitate to explore and adapt it as your projects evolve. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that it makes your project management journey smoother and more efficient. Happy collaborating!